In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a bigger spreadsheet from Google Sheets so it looks clean, readable, and much more professional on your website. Start by opening your Google Sheet and going to the top menu. Click File, then look for Share and choose Publish to Web. This creates a public version of your sheet that can be embedded anywhere. Next, switch to the Embed tab and click Publish. Google Sheets will give you an iframe code. Copy this code because this is what you'll use on your website. Now comes the important part that makes your sheet bigger. In the iframe code, you'll see width and height values. Replace them so that the width is set to 100% and the height is increased, for example to 700 or 800 pixels. This allows your sheet to stretch across the page and become much easier to view. After that, go to your website builder like Google Sites, open the page where you want the sheet and use the embed option. Paste your updated iframe code and insert it. Once added, preview your page and you'll see your Google Sheet displayed in a much larger and more usable format instead of the small default view. That's it. You now know how to embed a properly sized spreadsheet that looks clean, readable, and perfect for sharing dashboards, reports, or project data online.